It's my little before video. I haven't turned the boat on yet. But I am about to break it down. All the way down. That's all I needed. That's all I needed. It's in my backyard. I have no more excuses before. The before video. Before I unscrew a boat. I'm about to take all this apart. I'm going to do another video at the end of the day. See how far I get. Yeah, this next. But, yeah, this is my before picture, man. Kind of excited, man. I get to play with my toy. That's all I needed. Came through, put it in my backyard. Can't nobody see it. And now it's about to